Hi there, my name is Tristan, and today I'm going to be demonstrating for you the prototype for the design principles and project management final project. So in front of you we have the physical components of our prototype, which include a Raspberry Pi microprocessor, a Raspberry Pi camera module connected to Pi through a CSI cable. We have the power adapter for the Raspberry Pi and a micro HDMI to HDMI cable for display. And finally we have a speaker, which would be connected to the Raspberry Pi through Bluetooth. Next I will be demonstrating the programming side of the project. Being a gaze detection communication system, our project has quite a bit of programming involved. But if we run the program, you can see that to the user, they would only see this GUI, but for the sake of the presentation, like I said before, we will have a few extra frames on the screen. So we have the console, we have the output of the camera module, and in the top left we have a black and white image of my eye. First we will talk about the GUI and how that works. And for that I have a quick slide that is easier to understand. So how the GUI works is you have three main screens. On the first screen you have greetings and farewells. If the user gazes at the greetings option, you will have two more options come up on the screen, which would be a hi there and a hi one moment please. Should the user gaze at one of these options for around 5 seconds, the speaker would output the hi there, or it would output the hi one moment please. And the same system works for the farewells. So if the user gazes at the farewell for 5 seconds, it switches to the next option, which would be thank you and bye. And if the user were to gaze at those for 5 seconds, it would output the audio to the user's target audience. So next I'm going to demonstrate how the prototype itself works. So for that I'm going to open up my GUI. I'm going to open up my threshold image, and I'm going to open up my frame. So as you can see, and I'm going to apologize before I start, I am going to look a little cross-eyed in the making of this video. So as you can see, we have the frame, the threshold, and the GUI. And based on the movement of my eye, you're going to be able to see how the GUI interacts, or reacts rather. So if I look directly at the center of the screen, or I gaze at the center of the screen, you can see that it says center and a number on top is there, which basically is the amount of black pixels in the left hand side of my eye compared to the right hand side of the eye of the threshold image. Then if I look to the left, the number of black pixels on the left goes up and it picks the left option. If I look to the right, the number of black pixels on the right go up and it picks that option. So now say that I wanted to say hi there to someone. So the user would have to memorize or just look at the screen, and he would be able to see that a hi there would be a greeting, so he'd look to the left, and then he would see it on the left, so he would look to the left again. And then after that, after you're done with that, you would be able to see on the console that it outputted hi there.